Maharaj?
Yes.
I have a, might be a mental question if you like.
Huh?
You were saying that only those that are completely pure and free from all anarthas, only
Yes.
they can chant the holy name.
Yes.
So, a person like myself, completely full of anarthas in the senses.
That's Narottam Das Thakur said. I am such fellow. Then saying, I'm not complete, I'm pure. Most impure. Then saying, therefore I face so many impediments, so many obstacles in your bhajan. Please. This is my great fear. I cannot chant, I cannot do bhajan. But you are so merciful. Then I take shelter at your lotus feet. No other shelter is there. Please eradicate all these problems, these impediments, obstacles from my path of bhajan. And then I could chant your holy name and become happy, joyful, blissful. That's
So Guru Maharaj, the only problem with ourselves is that all of these statements that I am the most fallen, such and such from like Narottam Das Thakur, yet we all understand that Narottam Thakur is a great pure Vaishnava.
Yes.
But he's praying like that, whereas for us, we actually really are completely
He's praying for
fallen.
us. Feeling one with us. He prays. You should understand such a fool. Can't understand this thing. Their heart bleeds for us. Isn't it? So sadhus. Mahajans. Their heart bleeds for us. Singers, suffering. So, they pray for us. Yes, this is prayer, you are proper.
So by their mercy, we're able to actually achieve that success.
Yes. Sadhu's mercy, Vaishnava's mercy, Guru Kripa. Without that mercy, how can we offer such prayer? No possibility. Not at all possible. Their mercy, I am mukha. I am dumb. I cannot utter one word. How can I utter these things? Sri Guru Karuna. Without the Karuna, mercy of Sri Guru, I cannot utter such. Guru, Sadhu, Vaishnavas, mercy. They are teaching us, taking care of us. So much. Great really is training. You understand? Protectors, maintainers. Feel without protection, hopeless. They are there.
So Guru Maharaj, until we actually feel helpless, then Krishna won't give you.
We are really hopeless. Why don't you feel so? So callous why you are. You are really hopeless, isn't it?
That's a fact.
Isn't it? Yes, we are really hopeless. Really. Why don't you feel so? Why don't you cry?
Sometimes.
Heart of stone.
Heart stone.
Heart of stone.
Not melting. It's not melting. So it's heart stone.
Not even
Heart
with
block.
the heaviest fire, still it's not melting.
Heart block of stone. Not melting at all. Yes, my association of sadhu. Then that will be possible. And to say good occasion.
Yeah, I agree. Guru Maharaj, you were saying that Krishna, we should cry to Krishna, he's our only protector.
Yeah.
But then he broke his promise at the battlefield of Gour, etc. How do we know he won't break his promise to us?
He said
To Arjuna.
Arjuna.
Yeah.
Saranali Vijayi, one who takes shelter, will never perish. My devotee will never perish. I'll give protection. Promise through Arjuna, you cannot do
There's another instance with Junior Haridas. He was just looking at a girl, and Lord Chaitanya kicked him away.
That is teaching for us.
But then he accepted Junior Haridas in the
He is
form of a Gandharva.
not deserted. He is not kicked. He is for teaching us. But Junior Haridas went to that abode of Mahaprabhu and sings there. And that song comes, oh, Junior Haridas singing, devotee say. Then he is to understand.